Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2010 370Z. Alright, so here we have the replacement battery. I believe it's a group size 35. Let's get this one out of the way. Let's go ahead and pick this one up and put it inside the engine bay. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and plug in the positive terminal. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and now plug in the negative post. Perfect. Let's go ahead and secure each one down. We can start off with the positive. Does not really matter which order you start with. And then the negative. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and put the covers back into place. First we're going to start off with this one here. This, I believe, is going to go like so. Right in here. Locks into place like that. Then we're going to grab this other piece. This piece goes right underneath here. Just like so. Previous owner removed the retainer clips that go into place here and here. So that will just sit like that into place. This right here goes right up on top. There's little lock-in pins right there. Let's put those back into place. And like so. And you're pretty much done. That's it. And that is how you install a new battery on a 2010 370 Nissan Z. Yeah, 370Z by Nissan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.